I'm so excited because I have a new collaboration with WigShe. WigShe reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do another collaboration. Well, of course, I said yes. WigShe is a human hair company and you can customize your wigs, and I picked out style 136. We're gonna unbox it and try it on today. So if you wanna see what this looks like right out of the box, well then come along, let's go. Welcome to BB Hair. My name is Beth and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. I'm excited to be doing an unboxing of a brand new WigShe wig, a human hair wig. Before we get started, I want to let you know you can expand the description box. I will have the link to this wig and also the previous one that I purchased. And I want to let you know that I have a discount code. That's Beth. And that's going to give you 10% off. All right, so this is how your wig is going to come. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Comes in a little satin bag. You get a thank you card and a velvet wig grip with the lace cut out. Ooh, I am so excited. Oh, look at this. Isn't that just gorgeous? Let's look at the cap. Let me show you the cap. Now, I customize and ask them not to put in hair combs because I don't have any hair to attach to. So they were kind enough to not sew in the hair combs. So if you need the hair combs, I just want to let you know your wig will naturally come with hair combs, but you can ask them to customize it for you like I did. So here we have the lace top that goes right into the lace front, and that lace runs ear to ear. So I love this because it gives us full parting in any direction. Now this has the hook adjusters. There's elastic in here so you have stretch. These are wefts that are sewn in, or tracts of hair that are sewn into this cap. So it is a closed cap. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut to the WigShe website and show you exactly what I ordered. So if you are interested, you order the same thing. So I did wig 136 and I chose this in the color as shown on the model. Now that's a stock photo. I believe it's like an AI photo, but that's the wig. Now this wig is available in 6 colors. I customized, I ordered 16-inch, 120% density, the HD lace, the lace front cap, and I ordered lightly bleached knots, an average size, and I did ask for more prominent money pieces at the front. And that total came out to $704.99. This color is called a natural blonde balayage. I would really classify it more as a light brown with some blonde highlights and of course a medium brown root. I wear the Milano brand wig grip cap all-in-one, and it has the lace cutout. I do have these in my Amazon store, so you can expand the description box for that link. I'll also pin that link in the comments. So I usually take a little Got2b or even extra hold hairspray and I spray it right here, and then also at my nape, and then I put this on. I pull it pretty tight because I don't want anything moving. If your wig grip moves, your wig is gonna move. Then I pull it back from my hairline. I don't have the lace of the wig grip peeking through on my forehead. So I pull it back a little bit, press it down, make sure that it's not gonna move. Now I did go ahead and just cut that lace. In my other video, you can see me cut the lace. But I went ahead and did it. If I need to trim it back some more, I will do that later. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. All right, let me just give her a comb. The hair fibers feel so nice. I love this length. I'm so glad that I did the 16-inch length. I thought about 18, but I decided I just wanted to do more of an everyday length. Let's put her stock photo up and we'll do a quick comparison. And we'll spin. That's my left side. Super pretty. This is the 120% density, just so that you can see for a ponytail. Really nice, realistic density. Let's look at this lace. It's darker than my skin tone. You can see that. It's kind of a waffle weave pattern. I feel like it's like that Swiss lace that doesn't blend as well for me as like the HD lace from a synthetic wig. So I don't love that, but the hairline itself is good, and my previous WigShe was an average and it felt really large. This one feels good. It feels like a perfect average to me. It's not too big. The ear tabs come right at my ears. There are little bendy stays in there as well. They're really little, but they're there. Now remember, this has that full lace top, so I can part it in any direction. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the left, just to show you. So there's on the left. And there's on the right. Now I personally will do the left. So that may require just a little bit of retraining for the hair, but this is human hair, so that's fine. We can use heat, we can curl it, but it's beautiful. Really beautiful hair. This color is super pretty. This is not as warm as I was hoping for, but it's definitely more along the lines of a cooler tone, in my opinion. All right, so I'm just gonna take a little bit from each side, not a lot, just a little bit, and I wanna make sure that it's even. There, I think that looks good. And I'm gonna trim it a little bit longer because I want it to be a little more like a curtain bang situation. So I think, like, rather than short, I think I'm gonna do it like right at my lips. So I would say probably about 7 inches, 6 inches. That's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna first go straight across, and then I'm gonna take that, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and, well, maybe I'll pull that in there too. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and point cut. So we don't have a blunt line. Actually, I'm just gonna do like 2 sections, just a tiny little bit. Okay. And then I'll do this section, just a tiny little bit. There. Okay, I have my lunge heating up right here. I did it at 360. Okay. And we'll see how it takes to the curl. Perfect.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good.
What do you think? I restyled her just a little bit to suit my personal preference, and I just love it. I curled it a little bit with my lunge. I moved it to the left, added just a few fine layers. Now, the only thing, like I said, the lace is a little bit dark, so I think what I'll do is I will do a little bit of powder. So let me try that. I'm gonna put my glasses on. One thing I need to let you know with the glasses, it's pretty hard to get under the ear tabs. So for the human hair, when they come all the way down like this with the lace, I tend to go over the actual ear tabs. So it still goes behind my ear, but it goes over the ear tabs. Just to let you know, it may be different for you, but that's just how it falls on me. So I just have my Bare Minerals powder, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my little tool. You can just get these at the Dollar Tree, Marshall's, wherever. And so right there. Now, you can use scar tape underneath as well. And I believe that I maybe did that with my other one. And then I'm just gonna go along the hairline a little bit. I'm not gonna wear the hair back, so I'm not too concerned about that. But, of course, I got a little makeup. There we go. There we go. I think that's better. What do you think? So again, I want to thank WigShe for sending this beautiful style for me to review for you today. If you're interested in purchasing her, I will have all of the details listed in the description box below, and that's going to include all of the specs for exactly what I ordered. If you're new here and you like this content and you want to learn more about wearing wigs, well, go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, press the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload new videos. And I would love for you guys to go ahead and comment below, even if it's just some hearts or smile faces or whatever, because that will help the algorithm push this out to other women who may be suffering from hair loss and they need help. I would truly appreciate that. All right, so we'll take a step outside so that you can see this in the natural light, in the sunlight, so you can see what this balayage blonde color looks like. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.